Fungible versus non-fungible. Fungible assets are those that are interchangeable and indistinguishable from each other. This means that one unit of a fungible asset is equal to any other unit of the same asset. For example, all $1 bills are fungible, because any $1 bill can be exchanged for any other $1 bill. Other examples of fungible assets include gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Non-fungible assets are those that are unique and cannot be exchanged for other assets of the same type without losing value. For example, a painting by a famous artist is non-fungible, because no other painting is exactly the same. Other examples of non-fungible assets include real estate, baseball cards, and NFTs. Fungibility is an important concept in economics and finance because it allows for the efficient exchange of goods and services. Non-fungibility, on the other hand, can make it more difficult to trade and price assets. Here are some examples of fungible assets in the real world: money, gold, silver, Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, commodities: oil, wheat, corn. Here are some examples of non-fungible assets in the real world: real estate, art, baseball cards, NFTs, tickets to concerts or sporting events, cars, houses.